Did you know? The traditional wedding flavor of 5 candied almonds originated in Italy in the 1350s. They represent the 5 attributes of a happy marriage: health, wealth, happiness, fertility and longevity. Almonds are the seeds of a fruit tree that is a relative of the rose family. Most commercially grown almond trees are grafted to the stumps of peach trees, rootstock, making them more resistant to pests. Prunus dulcis, meaning sweet almond, is the commonly consumed version of almonds. Bitter almond contains a toxic chemical called hydrocyanic acid that can be deadly to humans if eaten raw. When heated, this chemical is destroyed, making the bitter almond safe to consume. Sweet almonds, the most consumed tree nuts in the United States, comprise 62% of the nut market. Almonds originated in Central Asia and have been cultivated in the Mediterranean since biblical times. The Bible spoke of Aaron's rod that blossomed and bore almonds, using them as a symbol to represent divine approval by God. The almond also symbolized virginity and was often used as a marriage blessing. The Egyptians left almonds in King Tut's tomb to provide nourishment to him in the afterlife. In 1700, Franciscan padres brought the almond tree to California from Spain. By the turn of the 20th century, the almond industry was firmly established in the Sacramento and San Joaquin areas of California, where the almonds come from. The United States provides 88% of worldwide almond production, with California growing the bulk of the U.S. supply. They are also grown in Spain, Turkey, Greece and Italy. Why should I eat them? A small handful of almonds, about 23 almonds, contains 160 calories and is a good source of protein and fiber. This same amount supplies 35% of the daily value, DV, for vitamin E and 20% DV of magnesium, and is a good source of calcium and iron. Almonds contain a variety of antioxidants, including the flavonoids quercetin and kaempferol, which may prevent cancer cell growth and oxidation of LDL, bad cholesterol, attributed to increased risk of heart disease. Almonds have been used in hopes of curing cancer, ulcers and corns, and reducing symptoms associated with consuming too much alcohol. Heart health. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, SCN, showed that eating a combination of heart-healthy foods that includes almonds can help reduce LDL or bad cholesterol levels as much as a first-line statin drug. Loma Linda University was the first to demonstrate that eating almonds raises vitamin E levels in the bloodstream. Participants who ate almonds reduced their total cholesterol by 5% and lowered their LDL or bad cholesterol by nearly 7%. In 2003, the Food and Drug Administration approved a limited health claim for almonds, saying that consuming them may reduce the risk of heart disease. Dr. David Jenkins of the University of Toronto found that eating a healthy diet that included almonds reduced inflammation by about the same level as taking lovastatin, a popular statin drug for fighting heart disease. The almond-rich diet not only lowered cholesterol, but it also lowered C-reactive protein, a leading marker of inflammation and an independent risk factor for heart disease. Alzheimer's. Mice with an Alzheimer's-like disease were fed an almond-rich diet. After 4 months, those animals who ate the almond-rich diet did much better on memory tests than those fed the usual food. The diet also reduced the number of Alzheimer deposits in the rodent brains. Colon cancer. A study from the University of California, Davis, found that almonds had a significant effect on the prevention of colon cancer in rats.